In the rugged frontier, a real-world field guide shares practical techniques tuned for explorers, wilderness lovers, and the prepared. They demonstrate shelter construction using waterproof tarps and improvised insulation, plus quick fire starting with ferro rods and tinder bundles. Water safety is covered through proven methods like boiling, solar stills, and portable filters, ensuring safe hydration even off-grid. Navigation relies on terrain cues, star positions, and map reading, while signaling for rescue uses mirrors, whistles, and reflective markers. These sessions translate to harsh climates and remote camps, turning fear into confidence with disciplined routines and safety mindsets.